Welcome to the English Expressions lesson series from Daily English Vocabulary. Today's expression is piece of cake. It is an idiom. Piece of cake means something that is very easy to do. We can use this when talking about an easy task, describing something that requires little effort, saying a job or activity wasn't difficult. Examples: the driving test was a piece of cake. Don't worry about the homework. It's a piece of cake. After practicing for weeks, the presentation was a piece of cake. Now it's your turn. Can you use today's expression in a sentence? Write it in the comments below. Please subscribe and join with us for more lessons.